Following the inconclusive meeting between the Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC), the Trade Union Congress (CUC), and the federal government, which facilitates the upcoming planned strike, prompted the Lagos State Parks and Garages Administrators (LASPAGA) under the leadership of Oba Suleiman Raji Ashade-One has disassociated their members and officials from the planned strike and protest declared by NLC and TUC. However, the Lagos State Park and Garages Administrators urged the members of the public to reason with the federal government, saying subsidy payments would lead to economic doom. They therefore pleaded with Nigerians to be more patient and cooperative with the government at all levels to enable government to make subsidy palliative available to Nigerians.
We members of Lagos State Parks and Garages are bringing this conference, are appealing to our members and to the entire citizenry to please bear with the nail-biting effect presently. It will be a thing of the joy at the end of the day. Hence we are directing our members to ensure that the planned protest by the Nigeria Labour Congress and the TUC, we are not part of it and we will not honor it.
While addressing pressmen at the state level in Akeson, the Deputy State Chairman of LASPAGA, Sheyi-Bangbose, said strike and protest would worsen the situation and make life unbearable for Lagosians, commuters, and Nigerians at large. In the same vein, Lagos State Parks and Administrator, however, advised the NLC and Trade Union Congress and civil rights societies to return to the negotiation table and find a better way to resolve the pending issues.
The Lagos State Park and Garages then urge members of the public to reason with the federal government as subsidy payment will lead to economic doom. They therefore plead with Nigerians to be more patient and cooperate with the government at all levels to enable the government to make subsidy palliatives available to Nigerians,
while persuading the citizens to carry on with their legitimate businesses without fear, with the assurance that there is no arbitrary increase in transportation fare across Lagos State.